we are describing fourth lesson of Geography, Agriculture. After the types of farming, now we will discuss about the cropping seasons or cropping patterns of India. In India, the different crops are grown during the different cropping seasons, but there are the three major cropping seasons of India. First, Rabi season, second, Kharif season, and third, Jad season. Now, we will describe what are the Rabi crops or what is Rabi season. Rabi crops means the crops which are grown during winter from the month of October to December, and these crops they are harvested during the month of March and April. These crops include such as wheat, barley, gram and mustard. Mainly the productivity depends on winter rainfall. For example, wheat. Wheat is the major rabi crop that is grown in India. It is grown during the month of October to December and harvested in April. Second cropping season, Kharif season. Kharif season means the crops which are grown on the onset of monsoon season. It means when the monsoon rainfall starts, these crops are grown and they are harvested in the month of September to October. Major crops like paddy means rice crop, maize, jawar, bajra, tur, moong, etc. And there is a small cropping season lies between Rabi and Kharif season that is known as Jad season. In this season mainly the vegetables are grown like watermelon, muskmelon and other type of vegetables and fodder crops also grown in the Jad season. After the cropping seasons, we will discuss about the major crops of India. Now, first of all, we will discuss food crops of India. First, food crop of India, we will discuss rice. In this, we will tell about the growing season of rice, when it is harvested, how much temperature, how much rainfall is required, and where it is grown. Rice, that is a kharif crop, and that is the major staple food crop of India. It means it is used by majority of people in India. And rice is a kharif crop, so it requires high temperature and high amount of rainfall. Near about 25 degrees Celsius temperature is required for rice and rainfall should be 100 centimeter annually. But it can be grown in those areas also where rainfall is less. With the help of irrigation, it can be cultivated. For example, in Haryana and Punjab, with the help of irrigation method, rice is cultivated. So now, which are the major areas of rice cultivation? Major areas, northeastern India, coastal plains and delta area. Now, which are the major states of rice production in India, such as Punjab, Haryana, West UP, some parts of Rajasthan, Odisha, Bihar, all these are the major rice producing states of India. Now, second food crop of India, that is wheat. Wheat, that is the second most important staple food crop of India, and it is a rabi crop. Mainly, wheat is cultivated in North India and northwestern part of India. For example, as you know, in Haryana and Punjab, UP, we grow wheat. Now, what are the climatic conditions required for wheat? Wheat is a rabi crop. It requires near about 50 to 70 centimeter annual rainfall, and it requires cool growing season and bright sunshine during the ripening. It means when the wheat is cultivated, there should be temperature near about 10 degrees Celsius, and during the harvesting time temperature should be more and there should be proper bright sunshine also. So we can say during the time of harvesting It requires near about 20 degrees Celsius or more than 20 degrees Celsius temperature. So the temperature that required for wheat is 10 to 20 degrees Celsius. Now major area Ganga Satluj plain and black soil area of Deccan Plateau also where the wheat is cultivated. So major states are Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan and some parts of Madhya Pradesh. So we can say wheat is the major food crop of north and northwestern part of India.